Wait, don't exit. I promise this video is worth your time. I've discovered a new niche that most creators overlook. The type of content I'm showing you is incredibly popular, yet hardly anyone is making it on YouTube. And guess what? I created all this content using 100% free AI tools. This is a truly trending niche. Search for the TikTok account cartoon.world4141 to see their beautifully animated works featuring super cute cats, specifically teacup cats. These videos are not only adorable, but also have an irresistible appeal that keeps viewers glued to the screen. Every change and every clip is captivating. I checked the data, and one video received 6 million views and 5,000 comments in less than 3 months, while another video got 3 million views in just 2 months. I searched thoroughly on YouTube and found that no one is making this type of content. There's almost no competition. Isn't this niche mind-blowing? If you're a new creator looking to grow your channel quickly and seize this untapped market, this video is for you. But first, I need your support. Please click the subscribe button on my channel. This will be your ticket to starting your AI money-making journey. First, let's use GPT to write the image generation prompts. I'll guide you through a simple method to generate prompts that even beginners can learn. This step is crucial for the visual elements of the video. If done right, everything else will go smoothly. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel's image and upload it to the ChatGPT chat box. Then type this magical phrase. Referencing this image style, please provide 5 different prompts with as much detail as possible for text-to-image generation. Now, wait a moment, and done. All your prompts are ready. ChatGPT will understand your intent. In just 10 seconds, wow, you'll have 5 super cute, professional, imaginative prompts. They are fun, striking, cute, and unique. I'll put the prompts in the comments or description below for you to use. Now, copy the first prompt. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, which is also crucial, involves turning the prompts into exquisite images. I'll guide you step by step. First, go to the DreamVid AI website. Yes, this is a powerful free image creation tool. It can generate images from text, and on the left toolbar, you'll find many effect templates that can create amazing effects. Let's click on a few to see, wow, the visuals are truly incredible. I must say, DreamVid is a very interesting tool. Now let's start the magic of turning text into images. You need to select the Image to Text feature on the DreamVid AI homepage. Then paste the prompt you used earlier into the box. Don't forget to select a 9:16 aspect ratio suitable for YouTube Shorts. I want to generate a mini teapot in the shape of a blueberry. Now, click Generate and wait a moment. Waiting? Done! Yes, it takes a little patience, but then, wow, your AI-generated image is ready. Look at the details. It's so lifelike. This lays a great foundation for the next video generation. Absolutely fantastic. Now repeat this process. Oh my, this tool is unbelievable. So engaging, the quality is simply stunning. Wow, I'm really excited because this looks like a series of exquisite movie frames. Yes, with these refined and creative images, we're ready to move to the next step. The next step is very important. Now it's time for the real magic. We're going to turn your stunning images into completely free AI videos. Open Kling and click on the Video Generation option in the left toolbar. You'll see that this page has quite a few settings. Now let's try to generate the final video. Once again, use GPT to refine your instructions, then copy the instructions into the Kling function area, set the image size and instructions, and then just click Generate. Let's take a look at the finished product. Wow! Eye-catching visuals, 4K quality, and smooth, cute style videos. Look at this! What a wonderfully cute scene. This little cat looks so real, melting the hearts of viewers. I can't even find the words to describe how adorable this cat is. Now, the final step is to put everything into CapCut. Yes, this is the tool we'll use to complete the masterpiece. We'll import the content into CapCut. You can enhance the overall visual effect by adding some audio and choosing suitable background music. Finally, let's export the video and watch the finished product together. Wow, your final video is ready. It's a very high-quality, lifelike short video. You can upload the finished video to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, allowing you to earn money from one video on 3 platforms. Now click the link below the channel to use the corresponding free AI tool, DreamVid AI, and start your AI money-making journey. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.